Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how you can check YouTube traffic source, like how you can check from where your videos are watched and all that. So first of all, like this video, subscribe the channel and comment below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get all information at first. So you have to go to your YT Studio, and going to YT Studio, here you can see in the media analytics. You have to go on that, and then you have to go on the contact. Here you can see written as how viewers find your videos. It means like how viewers find your videos in shorts, in videos, how they see your videos title, how they see your videos thumbnail and all that. So this is the what I am going to show you today. So here you can see all the viewers of my channels get my video through short videos and YouTube search, channel pages, how they find my video. So this is what I'm going to show in this video, how your viewers find your videos and traffic source, how you get your traffic source, all about from which country, male, female, gender, who watches your video, all of this in this video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and watch till the end. Hope so you enjoy this video. Now you can see the top searches, like what people search, and my videos appear on the screen, on their screen. So these are the searches that they search and my video appear on the screen. All of these are searches. So here you can see how viewers you find your videos, and after using these tags, and you can get your more views, and your get channel will get more traffic. So here are the how viewers find your videos, like on tablets, on TV, the ages of your videos, like who the people who watches your video, what's their age. The age is between 25 to 34. Most of my viewers, geography is mean from which countries your viewers belong to. So hope so friends you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for the next video. So today video is for how you can find your traffic source. So this is the way you can find your traffic source. Thank you so much.